Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here again. Welcome to the lecture 11 of 2 class maths. If you open your page to number 3, and we did ascending order yesterday, so we have to do descending order the other part today. I have given here a number bank. It has numbers 14, 41, 63, 68, 37 and 66. Now descending order starts from top, and we have to go to the smallest number starting from the greatest number. So the numbers given here are 14, 41. We have to compare the numbers. Only three of the number have the biggest first number, like 6, 6 and 6. So we have they have same number, so we have to compare the second numbers, like 6 here, 3 here and 8 here. Now 6 and 8 makes the biggest number, so 68 is biggest number, 68. And after that 68 is cut from the list. We have 63 and 66. 66 is bigger, both of its number are 6 and 6 greater than 63, which has 6 and 3. Now because we were comparing last time these two numbers, so when this number is eliminated, this number will be the next 63. And now we have these numbers here. This number has a 3 as the first number and 4 as 41. 41 is definitely bigger than both of them, 41. Now we have 14 and 37. 14 starts with 1 and 4, and 37 has 3 and 7. So 37 is definitely greater than 14, 37, and now the last number 14. So that's all the problems here on page number 3 will be solved. Like for these of these problems, solve them on your books. And until next video, Allah Hafiz.